Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Bitmoji on your Snapchat. So if you're having problem on changing your Bitmoji, then I'm here to help you to change your Bitmoji. So first you need to open Snapchat. After opening the app, you need to press the top left corner on your profile. So you can see this is a profile. Now you need to long press the top Bitmoji of yours. Now you can see that there are various options: change outfit, share outfit, pose and background, change selfie. So now you just need to select the option called change self. Now you can see this is how your Bitmoji will appear in Snapchat. So which one do you want? If you want this or this or this, whichever is suitable for you, you can choose one. So I have chosen this. So now done, press on done. Now you can see that your Bitmoji has changed to the selected ones. So this is how you can change Bitmoji on your Snapchat. If you found this video useful, then you can just share and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Hope to see you all on the next video.